at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2008 Chrysler Crossfire convertible. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 36,000 original miles on this car. Inferno red crystal would be the color. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, front fascia, headlights not discolored. 3.2 liter underneath the hood that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this one. One little touch-up spot I did notice right there, this being awful fussy on this particular car. So you can tell the paint is in nice shape, shows well. Riding on the original wheels. Tires have been replaced. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, power top, all that in working order. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the passenger side, free of any nicks, dings, scratches. Not see anything major along that side. Interior is the dark gray, medium gray combination interior. Leather bucket seats, center console, of course the 6-speed manual shifter on the floor. Little spot for a cup holder. Again, the power cloth top is in nice shape. We're going to run that up here at the end so you can check it out. Of course, we also have the power wing. I just clicked that up here before the video so you could get a look at that. And that is power and also working. I'll run it back down to here at the end of the video and we'll check that out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we'll also come with a car cover. That will be in the trunk cargo area. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. You can also see the paint shows well on this side. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. And again, a little over 36,000 miles on it. Door panels, carpeting, floor mats, extremely nice shape. Seating also, you can see the leather seating surface. Just a little bit of wear on the bolster from going in and out. No holes or rips, tears, or anything like that. Just a little discoloration in the leather going in and out. Keep some leather conditioner on there, keep it nice and soft and supple, and they'll last a long time. Passenger seat, good shape. One thing I wanted to note, previous owners of this car that brought it to us for consignment, there is a tire pressure monitor light that will flash. They have had it checked. There's nothing wrong with the tire pressure monitors that they could come up with. The tires do not leak. But it was on. Wanted to make you aware of that. They did not have any problems with it as far as tires going down, anything like that. The light was just on. They elected to just drive it and deal with the light. FYI, I want to make you aware of that. If you have any questions on it, consult with your sales associate when you call in. Could be something as simple as resetting it, what have you, but just want to make you aware of that. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up. So you can hear it run. Check out the exact miles. There they are, 36,961. All right. Of course, AM, FM, CD, infinity stereo system. Here's the power wing switch. So we're gonna run that back down. So when we get out, you can check the car out with it down also. Beep in the dash states that it's down. Make sure we're in neutral. We'll run the top up while we're in here too, and then we'll check the top out, and we'll pop the hood and check that out. Okay, dash, as you can see, is in good shape. Here's you had that flash from that monitor light. Now, let's go ahead and run this top up. So the top button is right here. Not sure if you have the parking brake on these or not, but we're going to make sure just in case. Push the top up button, and here we go. Just see if we can get a look at this. Alright, the beep means it is complete. With this handle where we're going to finish locking it into place. So we pull it down, click it, lock it, and let's see, make sure when I lay down. There we go, and there we're locked in place. Convertible top, working order, and this is what will happen. That light will just stand like that according to the previous owners. They drove it, again, did not have any issues. Check your tires once in a while. They did not have leaks. It's probably a monitor. All right. Here we go, the top up, and again, you can see it is in nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes, fits nicely up above the windshield. Rear glass window, rear defogger, nice and clear, see through it, not a problem. And again, all in working order. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's at least check out this engine bay for you also, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As you can see, this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. The hood liner is as clean as can be. It's not spent any winters out in the salt, anything like that. That is quite obvious because of how clean everything is in this car. Again, take a look at the underside. Do not have any road grime, debris, anything dry in that hood liner. Take a look at this engine bay. Smooth running, 3.2 liter, again, 6-speed manual transmission paired up with it. Power steering, power brakes, AC, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. There you go, you're looking for a nice, fun summer convertible. Here it is, 2008 Chrysler Crossfire. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email